Okay, family, so are you looking to get a braid style, but you have thin hair here at the top or in the front around your edges, and you thinking, what braid style can I get with my hair in this condition? Well, I am here to tell you there are still many beautiful braid styles that you can wear, even with thinning hair or with hair loss, alopecia, fine, or damaged hair. It does not matter. I am going to show you how I created this style with my client. Although she does have some hair loss, some thinning at the front and in the top, no one is ever going to know. So continue to keep watching and wait for the results.